Hello mga kachang! Welcome to my Facebook page. By the way, I'm Alex and I'm with my workmate for tonight. Her name is?
My name is Reisha and I'm from Indonesia.
And I'm from the Philippines. So for today's vlog mga kachang, we were talking about our similar language from Indonesia to Philippines. I'm the one who asked the first question. In
Okay.
Indonesia, what is sky?
Sky is langit.
Oh, it's the same. In
It's
the Philippines,
same.
it's langit also. Yeah, it's langit.
Langit. Okay, I will ask you. What is moon?
Moon in the Philippines, it's buwan. But in
Buwan.
my language, is bulan.
Okay, in Indonesia is bulan.
It's the same. Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, in the Philippines, it's bulan. It's buwan, but in my language, as
Mhm.
Ilocano, it's bulan. But in
Ah,
Tagalog, it's buwan. Next is, what is door in Indonesia?
Door is pintu.
For us in the Philippines, it's pinto.
Oh, with
It's
O.
O, yeah. But
Uh,
in Indonesia, it's
U.
U. Pinto, yeah.
And what is umbrella?
Umbrella, in Tagalog, payong. In my language, it's payong.
With you?
Yeah, in my
Yeah,
language,
it's
as
same.
Ilocano,
It's
it's the
payung.
same.
Yeah, same too.
Sa
Payung.
payong. Okay, next is, what is crocodile in Indonesia?
Crocodile is buaya.
It's the same in the
Yeah. Yeah.
Philippines. It's buaya.
Buaya.
Yeah, buaya. Buaya, it's crocodile. It's also, on my language,
Mm.
as Ilocano, it's the same also, buaya.
Okay.
Next is,
What is shoes?
shoes, it's sapatos.
Oh, with S.
Yes.
For me, it's sepatu.
Oh, same like in Indonesia, it's singular. In the Philippines, it's plural. So,
Yeah.
for the Philippines, with S, sapatos.
Okay.
Next is, what is in Indonesia, sick?
Sick is sakit.
Really? It's the same. It's the same in the Philippines. It's also sakit.
Sakit.
Like if you are sick, we call it, in my language, may sakit ka, like that. It's,
Oh.
you have sick, like that.
Yeah. If you're feeling sick, like kamu sakit. Ah.
In
Yeah,
Indonesia.
in Indonesia.
Okay. Next is, what is in the Indonesia, like, cheap,
Cheap is murah.
mura. Same in the Philippines, it's also mura, but in the
Murah.
Philippines we have two kinds of words of mura. First is like the cheap one,
Mm.
and the second one is like, uh, actually it depends on your
Mm.
sentence, because the other one, it's usually it's bad. It's a bad word.
What word? What?
Next is,
Next is what is expensive?
expensive in the Philippines is mahal.
Same is mahal too.
Really?
Yeah.
In the Philippines, it's the same. It's mahal, but mahal words in the Philippines, it's a lot of meaning.
Hmm.
Like you can say, you can call your partner as mahal, as a call sign. And if you say something to your partner like mahal kita,
Mahal
means
kita.
love.
Love. Ah, yeah, I know that one. But for us, it's mahal, is expensive, right? And kita is us. Kita
Ah,
is us.
for in the Philippines, kita is like you.
Kita is us for us.
Yeah. So that's all mga chang. Thank you for watching for today's
Thank
video.
you.
If you want more,
Comment
comment for
for
part
part
2.
2.
And I just want to shout out my workmates. It's Kevin Inocencio from Davao. Till next video mga chang. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.